Okay, so cherry cola cake, and it's really easy. We're just gonna make your typical cake batter. So you've got your flour, you've got your sugar,
a little bit of salt,
little cocoa powder,
a little baking soda.
Little baking soda. We're gonna whip all that together, and then we have our liquids. You wanna start on those. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the cherry cola.
Is that this guy here? We reduced it?
We mixed it all together, and we've reduced it.
To this?
No, that's for the frosting.
Okay, don't do that.
No, don't do that yet.
Okay.
This all goes in here.
Whisk up this?
Yeah, that.
Okay, and the oil, right?
Right.
Vegetable oil, right?
Yep, we're gonna pour all this in.
Pour this into here?
You got your oil.
Okay, there you go.
All right, we're doing some buttercream.
And some vanilla.
Little vanilla. And you wanna do the
And a
honors
little
of the Coke? Yeah. And we're gonna whisk it together.
This is exciting.
I know.
I love that sound. That sound is so
busy
fun.
sound,
that sound.
yeah. So, that,
Right, so
you've
bake
got
it on a
that,
sheet pan.
right? You're gonna put that there,
Right.
And you're gonna bake it.
And then
But
this
you're
was...
gonna mix it a little bit better than that.
Whatever, that's why we
Right.
have swaps.
Right.
Okay, then this was what?
So
Reduced Coke?
this is already. So you take the Coke and you pour it in
And
you
reduce
it
it.
down. Right.
And then you add cocoa and butter?
And
I'm
we add
guessing.
the flour.
Yeah. Sifted doodad.
Right. And we're gonna put this butter in here too.
All right, you add the butter.
Okay.
Wait.
That melted.
Look!
And it's yes.
Wow! Daddy's stirring with a butter knife.
Sorry.
She's like, yeah, whatever, it's a butter knife, and that's fine.
We've already talked about old people smell. Just let's get.
All right, look. I'm gonna cut the cake. Blow that off.
Okay.
We have a really pretty one here. I'm gonna cut the cake, but I think that what they want more than the cake is if we handed out the cookbooks. What do you think?
I think that would be great.